excited to have you back on my channel. If you hadn't watched my previous video before this one, I would like for you to catch up, but otherwise, welcome.
Just come from the sunflower farm, and the next stop is at IKEA. I've never been to IKEA, only seen it online, so it's the first shop that I'm gonna walk into. Apparently it's huge. It is huge. I can see that it is. So I'm gonna take you guys along, and let's have a look and see what's happening in there. I hope you can hear me. I don't want to shout. The ice cream I had just like made me feel sleepy.
Joel.
Yeah.
I thought it was just me.
Yeah. Like you would think that sugar would give you energy, but like I'm just so sleepy.
No, I'm just like.
What are we doing with our lives?
We go home.
If that's how I slept, man. But why is this nose so big?
I know. Let's go.
Trying not to judge, but hey.
Look at that.
It's a cute little pink room. And I love pink, but that could never be me. But do you know who I can see? Takunda, the sewing Takunda, because it has a sewing machine and everything.
Yes, I see her. Can you see her shoes?
I can see her, yeah.
Yes, I see her shoes.
Me, I want a sewing machine, man. So I can be like Takunda.
Look at her just making her own tops.
Not you checking out the clothes that are they on sale?
It looks like they are.
How much are they? That blazer is cute.
Yeah, it is. That's the first thing I saw. It doesn't say.
Oh. Come on, get us a cart in case we decide to do some nonsense.
You really want a cart?
Actually, I don't want to.
No.
That'll discourage us, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because we're just here to look. We're just here for look-sees.
Oh, that is pretty. What is this like?
You just like fairy lights, that's all.
Look at him testing Anya so
What? For $470 a complete living room with storage? That's crazy.
Look at this. How clean is it?
Oh, if I could just have like half of the table with just 2 chairs. You know that little middle part? Yeah. I've been looking for something like that.
This is pretty.
This is cute.
Very clean.
I could do that.
Yeah.
How much is it? $299. But I want a smaller table. If you see a smaller little round table, maybe. I want you to watch our time in IKEA because those windows will lie to you.
Oh.
We'll walk out here and it'll be dark. It'll be black and you'll be like, I thought we went in at 4 p.m. Why is it 9?
These are your colors.
These are my colors. This could look like my living room, honestly.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what I was talking about. We are on number 2. It goes to number 25. Some of them.
Attention all IKEA coworkers, a code 99 is now in effect. Attention IKEA
Code
coworkers,
99.
code 99 is now in effect.
What's code 99? All the pillows are everything.
Yes. Can you see the top?
Yeah. Come on.
Stockholm
Let's
sofa.
keep walking.
Chairs.
I know. I can't wait to get to dining because I'm really looking for like a small little dining thing for my nonsense. You smell coffee?
Yes, I do. But like it was wannabe.
Popcorn is following me everywhere today. I think popcorn wants to be eaten. It's a child's room. But
Look at them setting it up already.
oh yeah, it looks like some regular person just lives here. Not the shoes, just
Yeah.
they're cool.
Oh, I like this. I like this. I feel like this is a teenager's room.
Yeah.
Transitioning.
College.
Yeah. Come, let's check this one out. That is nice. This looks like a guy's house. A young bachelor.
Apartment.
Yeah.
It is a bachelor pad.
Mhm.
But this is a very stylish bachelor.
Yes, he knows what he's doing.
He's a player.
Look at him having a whole TV in between.
He's a player.
He is.
This one, you don't want to play with him.
Hey, look at his clothes lined up. What? So he can see what he wants to wear. Oh no, they're lady shoes in here. Ew, look at where we are. Oh, okay, we're back at 4.
Oh, we gotta jump back up.
Attention all IKEA coworkers, the code 99 is canceled. Attention all IKEA coworkers, the code 99 is canceled.
What in the world is...
IKEA coworkers, the code 99 is canceled.
Oh, look at the baby. So pretty. So pretty. Anyway, like, you can take forever.
Yeah. Oh, I like this emerald and gold situation happening here.
Oh,
That is nice.
this looks like an outdoor chair if you want to feel like you're outdoorsy every time.
I love this one.
Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. That's tiny. Yeah.
Look at these wine
What?
glasses. Look at these wine glasses. Cheers.
Thought you could. I couldn't bake to save my life, bro. Really?
I have to and I have directions if I could. But what didn't want to bake up?
Eh.
I have to scratch my head now. I don't know. Yeah, oh, this cow. Look at everybody's little feet coming in here.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's so cute.
Everybody's been in there.
Ah. Oh, that's so cute. See how tiny the tub is? And this is the bathroom. And this is the room. What? It's crazy. What? What? Yes, it is. Oh, yes.
Sure, but she really,
She's really figuring things out.
oh, you can see there. What does it say there?
Oh, we're at 7.
Get the storage.
I think we are tired.
You think so?
Yes.
You guys need a hand?
No. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I am tired.
How do you say no to people who just always want to take the picture?
Why am I smiling like that? I look so
You see you
creepy.
smiling to the people.
No, I was like,
Mm-hmm. Not the...
yeah,
Hey. Hey.
smile at you, and I move my lips.
I'm not racist. That's their smile.
Wasn't he cute?
He was.
No, we're not trying to take pictures. We're trying to get food.
Not in IKEA.
We're trying to get food.
Yeah. I'm
Just
ready.
resting our butts for.
Oh, that's nice. Ooh.
Can you imagine?
How would you clean it?
Every day.
My way, you close it.
Yeah.
Ah,
Look at how you go clean.
that will not work. It will not work.
What about every time you do your makeup when I get tired of IKEA and
Why?
I'm ready to get out?
Why?
Huh? Sorry, you're fine. I do like that.
with the speaker. Yeah.
I like this. The quality too, the sound quality.
Yeah.
Oh, can you do the bass? Ooh, I like it too. What brand is that? Symphony.
Look at this though. Yeah.
Oh, pero right about 2 minutes at the time.
Yes. Can I go?
I do like these.
Me too. Me too. Yeah. IKEA is fun, guys, but it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of ideas. When you come here, come in the most comfortable clothes. They'll give you a pen and paper, like a little pencil that you can use to write with. Then you can write all your ideas. We are taking a short bathroom break. And I'll see you guys on the other side.
I can't relate. I'm sorry.
So there's a whole restaurant and cafe too.
What comes?
Where are we now? We're at 18. Oh, look at the chandeliers, bro. Look at the lights. Oh, man. So many pretty designs.
Oh yeah, these are fun. Most of the IKEA lights are like this thing. They
Hmm. These are fun.
you can make them bigger or smaller.
You're right. These are fun. Oh, do that again. That's crazy. That is crazy.
This one doesn't do it.
Hey, sis. Hey, boo. Yeah, these are nice. What? I saw asparagus. And succulents, cacti. Yes, they are. Guys, how crazy are these? These are real. Yes, they're all real. I know they look fake, but they're so real. So real. What are these things called?
Ones I choose.
No, these ones are ginseng.
Ginseng.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you can make tea with them.
Mm-hmm. How? I wouldn't know what to do.
I think you use them.
Like I said before, guys, I do not have any green thing on me. Like nothing. I would just kill every plant I'll get. Just, yeah. No. I tried. Just didn't work. But the way I love flowers, I think I'm gonna try it again because wow. How beautiful they are. Look. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're beautiful. And you think they're fake,
I know, right?
but they're not. What? They're not.
This is about to make me a plant, mommy. Let's go.
Yeah. It really is.
The plants that are already dying. So let's keep that at a minimum.
Oh, we are leaving.
Finally, we can go find Finally.
This is Picabandi.
Yeah. So when you write down the numbers that you want,
Mm-hmm.
you find them
Right here.
Location.
Oh wow.
So then now you come here and you're like, oh, I saw that rug.
Hi.
You know what I wanted? I wanted a drill, but they don't have them in here.
Hey, not today. I feel like today you would pick the wrong one. You just pick any.
No, I just need a drill because the drills are the same.
Oh.
I need a drill to go put in the video camera, the doorbell thingy. That's what I'm looking for.
Guys, IKEA is tiring. It's huge. She told me. I just didn't understand. I didn't believe you. Oh, I'm exhausted. It's a whole mall.
She exaggerated.
It's a whole mall. Like, it's 19, how many? 25 sections. And each section is a huge section. You know what I mean? I am exhausted. And I am hungry. I'm tired. But, so much exciting stuff. And kudos to IKEA for having all these great stuff. Like, if you...
This one I wanted.
Okay.
For mimosas.
Oh, okay. If you have anything that you want to do to your house, make a trip to IKEA first. Anything. Redo your room, your kitchen, children's room, anything. If you want any ideas, anything, just come and take a walk. It'll be fun. I am exhausted, but there's a cafe here, and like I said, we're on our way out and we're gonna go have dinner. So I will see you guys there. Also, my battery is kind of dying. I didn't think I would have you guys for so long, and I didn't think I'll be online for so long, but yeah. And talk to you guys when we are at dinner. All right, see you soon. Hey guys, so the last spot is at Firebird's wood-fired grill. How pretty is this place? Let's go in.
They don't smell like anything.
Oh,
I thought they would smell a little like laughing
cousins of lavender.
but they are not even cousins. They're not even,
Yeah.
they're not even close. It's so nice outside.
It is. Hi. Thank you so much. Ooh. Thank you. Hi. Hi.
Oh, maybe they'll clean that one.
What? Oh, down there.
Yeah, maybe they'll clean it out first.
Okay, we can go hang out by there. It's not going to be dry. So right here.
I might have to sit up here.
Okay. Okay, this is what I ordered. Chips. Full rack of ribs.
That looks nice.
I did not order the
fruit. I'll eat your fruit then.
No, but I'm gonna take it back. I'm gonna ask them to take it
Oh,
back.
they can take it back. Look, I didn't even touch it.
Okay. All right, and then what did you order? What is this?
I don't know. This is potatoes,
Oh,
shrimp, and
steak.
no,
Rib.
prime
Rib.
rib or something like that.
Ranch?
No, this is the horseradish.
Oh, is it?
The stuff I was craving. I was craving that.
Oh. Guys, whenever you go to a restaurant, always ask for bread. It should be free. I
Well,
did
it
not know
depends
that
if the restaurant
until I
has it or
asked.
not.
Yeah, I didn't know that until I asked. So if you're like dying of hunger, because we were, so we had to ask for some bread and start munching on it
To hold us.
to hold us down. So I am gonna wait until they come back and take my food away because I did not order. So sorry, I did not order the food.
It comes with it.
Oh, it does?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
How is that? That's so weird.
thank you so much.
But I'll still eat it.
Yeah, okay, go ahead. I don't eat those, so
Do you need anything else?
no, I'm okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, anyway. So apparently the fruit bowl comes with it, but what I ordered initially was a side of shrimp. This is what I'm excited about.
Me
so I
too.
can do that. Anyway, guys,
almost
I will catch up with you later, but this is our day, and this should be the end of our day. And my phone is gonna die because it died a little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, thank you. You too.
Welcome to the end, and thank you so much for watching. I hope our mini vlog to IKEA gave you an idea of actually how the physical shop looks like. And make sure you subscribe so I can see you on the next one. Toodles!